wonderful day. Well, this is not a tutorial video. I just wanted to share something with you guys really quick. Earlier this week, I made this box, and it's a mini file folder box, and I absolutely love it. Well, after I posted it, I also got a couple of ideas from you guys for other uses for this box. And two of you, Janice's Journeys and Sue Nocco, mentioned that you thought this would make a perfect little mini recipe box. And you're so right, it really would. Sue took it a step further and said she thought it would be really cute with chickens on the front. And I thought that was such a cute and wonderful idea. I happen to have some farm animal paper that I got from Hobby Lobby, and it's from the Blue Barn collection, and I'm not sure if they still have that paper pad anymore, but it has wonderful farm scenes. And I didn't have any chickens in that paper, but I did have some roosters. So I made a box using roosters, and I think it turned out very well. And I added these cute little feet to the bottom, and then I added a little metal drawer pull to the top and filled it with some mini file folders. And Sue, I'm going to actually send this to you because I think that your suggestion for adding the farm animals is such a wonderful way to gift someone a really cute recipe box. And then Janice's Journeys had an idea of actually making it a recipe box with simple recipes for the new bride. So I'm also going to make one in that theme, and I'll post it, and of course I'll be giving it to Janice from Janice's Journeys because that was her idea. So I really do appreciate you guys sharing your wonderful ideas with me, the different takes that you have on the projects that I make. And I am more than happy whenever possible to try those ideas and then share them with the group whenever I can. So I just wanted to give you a turnaround look of this wonderful, and it's so sweet, this little box. And Sue, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a few more recipe cards. I'm going to try to get at least 10 to 15 in here, and I'm pretty sure that I can. And then I will drop it in the mail to you. So you guys have a great day, and we will craft later. Bye.